Hello viewers, hope you are doing well. Welcome back to channel. The holiday season is finally here, and what better way to bring the festive cheer to you and your home than with a beautiful handmade Christmas wreath. In today's video I will show you step by step how to make a stunning Christmas wreath using simple material you might already have at home. So recycle and give a new life. Whether you are decorating your front door, fireplace or wall, this wreath will instantly make your space feel warm and magical. So grab your glue gun, ribbons and favorite ornaments and let's get crafting. So let's start by gathering everything we will need. Here what I am using today. A wreath base, you can use a foam ring or even make one with wire, greenery like artificial pine branches or fresh leaves if you prefer a natural look. Some pine cones, Christmas ornaments and berries for decoration, a few ribbons for that classic holiday touch, a hot glue gun or floral wire to attach everything, and of course something fairy lights if you want that extra spark. You can customize these items depending on your themes. Red and gold for classic Christmas or silver and white for festive winter wonderland look. Let's begin with our base. If you are using a foam ring, wrap it with green floral tape or ribbon. This will help its look flare and gives a nice background color. If you are using grappling wreath, simply fulfill and adjust the vine to get a round even shape. Now start attaching your greenery. Use small branches of pine and cedar and skewer them in one direction, overlooping each layer slightly. These gives you smooth with a full lush look just like the ones you see in stores. Once your base is covered in greenery, it's time to add some texture and color. Take your pinecones and ornaments and start placing them evenly around the wreath. Don't glue them all the first, position them to see where they look best. Try mixing large and small ornaments for balance. You can also add a few berry stream or cinnamon sticks for a cozy rustic vibe. When you are happy with the ornaments, glue everything family in place. Remember, the goal is to make it look natural, not perfect. Now for one of my favorite parts, the bow. Cut a long piece of ribbon and make a big festive bow. You can go for a classic red plaid or even gold stained ribbon depending on your theme. Attach the button or the top of your wreath using floral wire or hot glue. If you want, you can add small ribbon loop around the wreath for extra charm. The bow really ties everything together and make your wreath look polished and festive. Ready for a little magic, let's add some fairy lights. Take a battery operated string for warm white light and carefully wrap it around your wreath. Try to keep the wire hidden behind the greenery. Make sure the battery pack is easy to access to you can turn it on and off later. When you switch on the light, just look at that glow. It instantly makes your wreath comes alive with Christmas spirit. When everyone looked and said wow, then you proud your art and DIY project, homemade Christmas wreath. Be hanging it up, take a